So hello guys, welcome back again to another video on my YouTube channel. So how are you my dear friends and my dear subscribers? I hope you are also fine now. So today our topic is Quizee earn money earning app and Nefi technology contents ads. So today our topic is that. So this is the online money. So many people that say me, so online work about information, online work, any website information. So I will upload this video for that many people. Then he say me, give me a one website and app, then I will make money online, earning money. So this man is, don't worry, I am here. So I am tell you some tips and tricks, so you follow them steps, then you make money online, stay at home. Okay, so please I request you, don't skip my video, then I will say what you don't understand my world, and you skip my video, so you getting late your time. Okay, so today start now my video, then I will say something. Please subscribe my channel if you're new on my YouTube channel and click the bell icon, then I will upload a new video on my YouTube channel. You received a notification in your mobile phone, then you review first now and play watch first now. Then what I did explain everything, you make first man. Okay, so you make earn money first. So please subscribe and like commented on this my channel. So some information I will explain you, play quiz and earn money. So this is some quiz, GK quiz, games, cricket, food, predictions, sports, world, movie. So unlimited daily earning, Flipkart, watch video, AD gyms, AD gates. This is some. So watch online video and earn 10 coins. Okay, this is a original app, nothing a duplicate app. Then you see this interface, invite friends and earn lifetime. Okay, unlimited daily earning, Paytm, Phone Pay, Google Pay, bank. Okay, this is an international app, nothing Indian apps. Okay, this is available in every country, 100% safe and secure. So withdraw, this option is to clear this on screen. So this is app and this is review is very best. So my video is end, I will back to another video. So take care, bye bye.